All right, so this is exercise 1B on place value, page 9. So basically place value, you guys have all done that in primary school before, yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. So place value, looking at, well, what happens to a digit if I put it in a different position? So for example, if I have the number, and let's say I've got 437, what is the value of the digit 4 in this case? Yeah, go for it. Hundreds, perfect. It's hundreds. But if I said, what's the value? Yes. Up the back, sorry, Taylor. Awesome. I times it by 4 because I have the 4 there. I multiply and I get 400. What about if I have, let's say, 537,642? What about the, let's say, what about the digit that's 4, the 4 digit? Yes, Lucas.
It is only 10.
It's only 10, so
Times 4 will make it 40.
Good. 10 times 4 gives me 40. So that's pretty straightforward. We're looking at, well, what is the place value of those digits? Now, the only other thing I also want to look at is different symbols. So you guys all know what this one is, right? Let's just draw it out. What's that? Equals. What about this one? Ah, what is that? What does it look like?
A wavy equal.
A wonky equals. So if I say it's about, does that kind of make sense? So that means approximately. Good work, approximately. Have you guys seen this one before?
Yeah.
What's that one? Have you guys heard about the alligator one? Yeah, Taylor?
Isn't it like, so on the one with the 2, it's bigger, and then on
Absolutely. Have you guys heard about the alligator eating the bigger one? You guys heard about that one? Just in case you haven't, in this case, let's pretend that there's a number here. Let's say 3, and there's a number here. Let's say 1. The alligator, I'm going to try my best to draw. I'm a really good artist, by the way. That's actually not bad. So the alligator wants to eat the bigger piece, so it's going to numb this one. Okay? So the alligator eats the biggest one, so this one is greater than. So the number on the left is greater than the number on the right. And so the opposite way would be? Less than or lesser than. Good work. What about this one? You guys seen that one before? Huh? No? So what does this mean? Greater than. And what does this mean? Equal. So what if I combine them? Greater than or equal? And if I go the other way? Less than or equal. Good. Okay. Let's pause for a sec. Oh, well, sorry, one more. If this is equals, what's this one? Yes. Not quite. You on the right track? Yep, just at the front, yeah? Yep. So if I have running, and then I put a circle and I cross that out, what does that mean? No running. So if I have an equal sign and I cross that out, it means? Doesn't equal, not equal. Perfect. I'm going to pause the recording for a second. The last thing I want to talk about is expanded form. What does it mean for something to be expanded? Yep, up the back. It gets bigger. Perfect. So I'm trying to make it bigger or take more space. Do you have something to add to that, Taylor?
It's like breaking it down into steps.
Awesome. Breaking it down. Yeah, breaking it down so we have more stuff there. So let's say I have 7,142. I know that the 7 represents the 1,000. So I'm going to write 1,000 multiply by 7. Are we okay with that?
Yeah.
Yep. I'm going to add the next position. What's the next position? Thousands and then? Ready?
100.
100. So I'm going to write 100 multiplied by what number?
1.
Multiplied by 1 plus the next position is?
10.
Tens. Multiplied by? 4. And the last one?
2.
2.
And 1.
What's the position? Ones, and then I multiply by?
2.
2. So if I was to put this into the calculator, what number should I get?
7,140.
Thank you very much. 7,142. Awesome work. I'm not going to go too much into this because I feel like you guys are already experts at this. If you want to keep practicing, please feel free to do so. If you need to finish copying down those notes, do that. Otherwise, please select one of the star rating columns. And remember, that can change, so you don't have to pick star rating 2 for all of them. Just pick one of them for now. And then you're going to complete the questions for exercise 1B, which is the first row across. Any questions? All right.